guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing something a little bit different, a little bit more interesting. I'm so excited about this video. I'm so excited to do my makeup today. Like, I'm shaking of excitement right now, and that's because I'm gonna be doing my makeup the way I used to do it, like what, 5 years ago. Back then I used to watch a disturbing amount of makeup videos every day, and now that I think about it, nothing has really changed. But today we're going to be following a makeup tutorial by Nikkietutorials. So I'm gonna just follow her steps, I'm gonna follow her techniques and everything. I'm just gonna be doing my makeup the way that she's teaching us to do makeup. I'm a little bit worried and nervous because, you guys, her makeup is always perfectly perfect. That makes me worried, but oh well. I've seen people on the internet doing those kind of videos, and I think that the first who came up with the idea of these kind of videos was Thomas, let me see, what was his other name? Thomas Halbert? Halbert, I really hope I pronounced his name right, but I saw that he did a video like that, and I think that he was the first one, so a credit for the idea goes to him. Yeah, without losing any time, let's go ahead and get started because my face is ready. I'm so ready to do my makeup today. I'm just so excited about this video. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so today we're going to be following her how to slay your holiday makeup look. Let's see.
Hello guys, there's a plot twist for you. I've never done this before.
I've never done this before too, trust me.
I am opening a tutorial video with no makeup on.
Same here.
Sophisticated, but most of all, glam, Thanksgiving makeup look, and...
Okay, Thanksgiving is like 279 days away, but I'm here doing a holiday look, so what? I cannot show what look we're going to be doing, but I didn't watch the entire video because I wanted it to be a little bit more of a surprise for me. It's not only suitable for the holidays, it's pretty universal. And don't ask me how I know how many days are until Thanksgiving. I Googled that. I'm not that smart. Oh, I have that strobe cream, but I think I have it in a different color. Let me see. Oh my goodness, okay, we're not starting well. I have the pink undertoned one. I don't know, I'm gonna use this.
Not gonna miss this opportunity. I'm gonna do it the Instagram way.
Oh, okay, doing it the Instagram way.
Yes.
This is probably a little bit too much. This is just a little bit too much, I'm sure. And I think that I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Lumi Pure Light Primer. I don't have that iconic lightning thing, so I'm gonna use this one instead. It looks pretty similar to the MAC one. Oh my god, that's on my top. This is on my shirt. No. Okay, and she's buffing it with some kind of a stippling brush. I'm gonna use a brush by Colourpop. Oh, I look so sweaty. I look like I have been working out, something that I haven't done in the past 2 months. Just don't judge me, okay? I'm not judging, don't judge me too.
For foundation today, I'm gonna be going in with the Huda Beauty.
I don't have that foundation, but I ordered it. I'm expecting it to come very soon, and I'm planning on doing a review on it. So instead, I'm gonna use the Catrice Liquid Coverage foundation. And this is a pretty full coverage. I'm kind of running out of it. I need to get a new one. I know that she's using super duper full coverage foundations, so I'm gonna go with something very covering as well. I'm mixing it with some lightning drops here because it's a tiny little bit dark for me.
Hello coverage, we have come home, baby. Natural. For concealer, I'm gonna be using...
Hold on, I'm not ready with my foundation. Just don't hurry. And she also added some foundation on her lips, so I'm gonna do it too. I don't know if that's a good idea, but anyway. Yeah, my lips are a little bit too dry for this, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, she's using some kind of a NARS concealer in a jar. I don't have it, but I have this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm gonna use it instead, so I'm adding it under my eyes. And I'll also mix it with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. These two mixed together is my favorite under eye combination, although right now I'm using a little bit too much. And she's using some kind of a stippling brush to blend them out. I'm gonna go with this one. This is the Zuiva, 110 brush. Oh, I've never seen my face like that.
And I'm gonna bake my under eye area using the Maybelline
No.
finishing powder.
Oh, baking is not really my thing because I have a little bit dry under eye, and when I add a little bit more powder there, it's getting even drier. I'm not really doing the baking thing, but I'm gonna do it today. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's exciting. And she's doing like very quick, like dabbing motions, like really pressing that powder into the skin there, like. Well, that's a little bit uncomfortable. It's like pulling, I don't know, I hope it's gonna be better in a while. Okay, what we're doing next?
So here we are. Before we start, I do want to let you...
Hold on! What happened to the eyebrows? My eyebrows are not ready for the next step. What kind of magic she did? Like, can I have my brows defined and full and bold in the next clip? Like, can I do that? We should try it out. Okay, the magic of editing, right? The foundation on my eyelids. The foundation on my lips didn't really work. My lips are a little bit too dry for that, and it was just not a good picture, and I don't think that you guys want to see them like that. So I just covered them with some lip balm, and they're much happier now.
If at the very end you still don't like what you're looking at, just throw glitter on top and you're fine. All right, so I'm already primed, and now we're gonna move on to the first shadow.
That color is the fourth one before the black, so 1, 2, 3, 4, this one. Okay.
Going all the way to the inner corner. Now that you've got this very intense shape...
Hold on, I'm not there yet. Hold on. I really hope I can make this work.
You want to go in with a clean blending brush.
Now we're switching to a clean blending brush. I'm gonna use this one. It's not really clean, but I'm gonna take one of those Veramona like cleaning things. These are very useful. And I'm gonna like rub my brush in there. That's gonna clean it up like very nice.
You barely don't touch your skin, and the bristles of your brush are barely moving. That's how soft you want to blend this out.
Okay.
Now I'm going to take a little bit of the color Bear, and this is going to go right in between.
Wait. Okay.
This is definitely one of those...
I have that brush. Wait, is this one here, and I'm dipping it. I think that she used this color. She probably used this one.
Watching, it's looking so messy. You're going to be fine.
Thank you, I really hope I'm gonna be fine.
So after all of that, you have some...
Wait. You're going a little bit too fast. Okay, I'm a little bit confused now, because her brown is more of like a warm toned brown, and my brown is coming like very cool toned brown, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I think that we're using the same palette, the same color, but I don't know. Anyway, so we're basically adding one more layer of that brown.
Now it's time to focus on that...
Wait.
Right on the center of your eye.
She's basically using a concealer or something. So I'm gonna take some of my ColourPop no filter concealer. It's always so hard to say that. I have this in the shade 5, and she's using a very like kind of large flat brush. Oh, I have this one, but let me just clean it up a little bit. This was used for something else, but... And stamping it on my eyelid right here, okay? And dragging down. Well, I guess something like that is good. By the way, my bun, this thing here, I can't put it in place. It's like my bun exploded.
And I'm using So Glam from that same Morphe palette.
The colors really confuse me today. Like this eyeshadow in my palette looks like more of like a green gold kind of color, and for her it's like very nice warm kind of warm gold shimmer. I don't know, but anyway, let's go ahead and apply that.
On top of the concealer, almost touching the far top edge of that concealer, but just leaving that top edge bare.
My hand has eyeshadows and concealers and all kind of different swatches on it. My hand has more makeup on it than I have on my face right now.
On the very top edge, I'm gonna use this pigment by Peaches and Cream. This is called Gatsby, and their pigments are one of my favorite.
I've never heard of this brand, and I don't really have that pigment. Now, I have this Makeup Forever Starlit powder. Let me just find a brush. I'm gonna clean this one for the second time. Ow, I hit my lip. this came out beautiful. I like it.
I'm applying the Yayy Slim Cream Eyeliner
in
black.
I have this one. I hate applying things in my waterline and I hate watching people doing it, but it's part of the makeup, right?
Then setting that with a black shadow, I'm using the one from the Morphe palette.
Oh, she's also bringing it a little bit under the lower lash line. Okay, I'm gonna do it too. For some reason, for me, it's very difficult to remove the black pencil from my waterline. Like, honestly, guys, I can be walking around with black pencil in my waterline for like 5 days. This thing is not going out of there. It needs some special kind of a removal. I don't know. I don't usually add so dark eyeshadows and eyeliners on my lower lash line. What I'm doing right now is definitely not in my comfort zone. And I need to stop talking because I'm messing things up. That lower lash line is getting dramatic.
And now smoking that lower lash line out using Evolve. On the inner corner, my favorite Melchior Festive Gold. This one is everything.
Never heard of this thing. We need something to highlight the inner corner. Oh, I can replace that with some kind of a Nofra highlighter or something. Hold on, let me go get one. This is the Everglow highlighter. This is her collaboration with Ofra. So I'm gonna take this color here. It's like the lightest one from the 3 of them. And she's like placing it like right here somewhere. You guys, I added that highlighter also at the top of that curved cut crease thing that we did there, and it looks better. And also I think that my eyes and my face looks so much more different when I have very dark eyeshadows and eye pencils in my waterline. Like, honestly, I think that it changes my entire face. I kind of look so different. I like how this look is coming up so far, by the way.
For lashes, I'm not going to be applying the Tati lashes.
I'm gonna use my velour lashes in the style Flash It. These are my favorite and I have worn them a couple of times, as I can see, but I'm gonna use them today as well. I actually switched to a different pair of lashes because that velour lashes, they were used a lot, you guys. They couldn't take it anymore. So so I switched to a pair by House of Lashes called Allura Light. I really hope I pronounced that right, but they're gorgeous. Now hopefully this is the last step of that look.
Alright, so that is it for the horizontal spotlight smoky eyes. Okay, I just had so much fun doing this eye look because it's a different shape. So I ordered this bronzer right here by Tom Ford, and it is called the Ultimate Bronzer in the color 1 Gold Dust, but that's warm. All right, so
that's expensive. Wait, I'm gonna go get my Benefit bronzer. Where did I left it? It was in my bag for some emergency bronzing situation. I'm using the Hula Light because, you know, I'm pale and the light one looks good on me.
For blush, I'm gonna go in with Barely Legal by Kylie Cosmetics.
I don't have that Kylie blush, but I'm gonna use one by Makeup Geek. This is called Spellbound.
Now let's do some cheek carving. I told you we're gonna look like we're full. We're gonna look full.
Cheek carving. Wait, I've never done that in my life. Okay, I have this huge powder here by Motifs. It's huge. I'm gonna like dip my sponge in it, and I guess just like ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. She's taking it all the way down here. That's a lot of powder. Alright, that's something very new for me, okay?
So I'm gonna go in with Glazed Donut. The further we go along,
I think I have that highlighter here. The Ofra highlighters are very, very, very intense. Like, imagine an intense, super duper bright highlighter. This is brighter, like, I'm not even kidding. So I have to be a little bit careful with these, but she's going like a full glow, so okay, let's do this. I need to stop talking and just do things. And to be honest with you, look at that. This is the first time that I'm using this highlighter, and it's like a mirror on my face. Like you can see yourself. Let me just tone it down a little bit. I have powder on my blender everywhere. I kind of blend it out, you know. I don't know. This is like super duper intense for me. How does it look so gorgeous on her? She also had it on her nose. You guys, I'm like super duper scared to apply this highlighter on my face. It's so intense. There's hair somewhere in this area right here, and it's like driving me crazy. Okay, we're done with the face as well. Now let's see what's next.
All right, now for lips, I'm first gonna line my Cupid's bow and bottom lip using the Yayy Longwear Cream Lip Liner. This lip liner, especially this color right here, this is in the color Pink Champagne Shimmer.
Do I have this Yayy lip liner? I don't think that I have Yayy lip liners. Let me see if I can find a similar lip liner to this. So she applied on her Cupid's bow. Something like that.
I'm going to be applying two Yayy lip creams, the matte ones. And the first color is Buff, and for a highlight, this one is so special. This is called Papaya.
I'm so happy right now. They actually sent them to me. Thank you, Yayy, for being so kind.
And some papaya.
Oh, this looks very pretty. What is that lip gloss?
And of course,
why she didn't tell us what it was? Okay, I have this Lip Eclipse Seal of Approval lip gloss by Sigma.
Of course, some setting spray.
Oh, I had that Urban Decay setting spray somewhere, but I just can't remember where I abandoned it. So I'm gonna use instead the L'Oreal Infallible Fixing Mist. This was so much fun, you guys. I just really enjoyed filming this video today because doing the things like someone else would do them, it was a whole new experience. Like it was like something that I really enjoyed doing. I have to admit that Nikki just took me out of my comfort zone today, and she threw me at all of those things that I'm avoiding. That includes a very bright lip. Like I would never wear that nude lipstick. Like never. Dark lower lash line and waterline, very intense highlighter, the baking thing and everything. These are things that I'm not usually doing. I loved how today's eye look came out. I wanted to do a smoky eye like this for a while now, and I'm so happy that I did it today. It didn't came out like 100% like hers, but I love how it came out. Also, if you want to see more videos like that, let me know down in the comments. I have some people in my mind that I wanna recreate their tutorials, and I just wanna know your thoughts. It's interesting to see, you know, people recreating other people's stuff and just seeing how a certain look will look if someone else did it, but using the techniques of the first one who created it. Like, I don't know if you understand what I'm talking about, but anyway, let me know if you want to see more videos like that. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me see if I have some lip gloss on my teeth. Oh, there is some. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to press the bell button next to the subscribe button, because that way you're gonna be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. All of the links will be down in the description box. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!